first we come over here and we acknowledge the puppy dog. Come down here, we pet the puppy dog. See, the tail is wagging. Look at the tail wagging. Is that my puppy dog? That's my puppy dog. And then we go into Project Land. Okay, Lego Fanatics, we're back. We're gonna finish this up really quick. I'm gonna grab this little branch thing here, and I'm gonna put like that. I'm gonna put these flowers on here, right quick, just like this. There should be that, and there should be one here, like that. Oh, and then this one goes here. Okay, and then I'm not sure how this connects, so give me just a hot minute here, because I'm looking at where I'm going to put this. Oh, okay, I see where I put it. So this goes here, and that goes there, like that. You see it? How it connects? Sorry, I kind of had to look at it for a hot minute just to see how they had that, but that's the base. So then I'm going to move all this out of the way, because that's my extra stuff. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to take this and go like this. And nope, I'm going to go. Okay. Put it in like that. And there you go. It's connected, right? And then you have the base, which is where it goes. So that's how it's holding it together. And then if you do this right, the little guy, he goes like this, in here. That, and the other guy lays down in here, just like this. So we got him in there, and there you go, just like that. All right. That's the completion of this build. This was the Mako sub, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. This is the sets and how I was talking about them, how they go together. There's that Mako submarine that I just built, with the Justifier in the background there. So, like I said, they can go real well together, you know. I want to get this character space if I can, and you've got this Elu coming out, and the rider on it, and the rider has, you know, a base to it as well, just like the Mako does. So really cool design. Like I said, I'm excited because I have one left to do, as you saw in the background, with the Justifier right there. So, you know, just let me know down in the comments what you think. I think this is great detail on the bases and everything, and it's really cool to see how Lego put this together to where these sets actually fit in the same genre. Alright, so thank you for watching.